Infiltronics Environmental's second research site at Rockbridge Memorial State Park manages stormwater from a roadway, parking lot, and playground. As the slope of the site increases, the collected water picks up speed and begins to erode the ground it covers. To collect data and help mitigate these issues, Infiltronics Environmental installed a configuration of their stormwater management system below the drainage trench to help the stormwater redistribute and infiltrate, mimicking natural processes. To begin the system installation, the site was measured off and excavation was begun. While this was happening, the aggregate-filled tubes that make up the system were unloaded and sorted. As the excavation was being finished, the collection basin to feed the system was placed. We were able to see water moving through the soil, giving some context for how much water the site manages. Next, sensors were placed in the trench below the system to see how water moves vertically. Non-woven geotextile fabric was then placed in the trench, and the aggregate-filled tubes were placed in the specific number and configuration for the site. The fabric was then wrapped around the tubes, creating a single unit. Some specific earthwork was done by hand around the basin, before the excavator took over and replaced the excavated soil. After the system was installed, additional sensors were installed as well. A soil sampler was used to dig an appropriately sized hole, and a stack of soil moisture sensors was placed inside it. Then, a small trench was cut into the soil. Wires for the sensors were placed in this trench and labeled for clarity. And finally, they were installed in logger boxes to begin collecting data. In total, 56 sensors were placed on this site. The site has been installed for a few months and is settling nicely. To keep up with the project and learn more about Infiltronics Environmental, visit our website, infiltronicsenvironmental.com, and follow us on social media. Thanks.